I mean, come on, Fritz. You've been skirting around topics the whole time, complaining about the Wi-Fi, stealing glances at your phone every chance you get. I mean, who fucking cares about Instagram? Who fucking cares? Like,
Don't do that.
don't do what?
Trivialize things that are important to me. Just because they don't care about it doesn't mean it's not important. I use it for work and stay connected with my people.
People like Erica?
You sound real insecure right now. And it's not cute.
What's not cute is being on vacation with a guy who's texting other girls and worried about his social media. That's not cute.
I get it now. Your dad was controlling, so you became controlling.
You're a child, Fritz. A lost boy who doesn't even know how to express himself or be real. And I feel sorry for you. Fine, maybe I'm controlling, but you're not in control of anything in your life. You're just there floating on a bubble. Exactly.